All right, let's get a check on the forecast here. Maddie Kirker watching the storm that's starting to move in from the west coast, really inching closer to us. And when will that rain arrive?
Well, we got two different waves that we're tracking right now. We've got one that's going to move in today, and the second one will move in tomorrow. So two different systems. The one we're talking about in California actually moves in tomorrow. So let's get you out live right now here in downtown Columbus. We've got a gorgeous looking skyline, and things are pretty quiet out there right now. Temperatures are generally right around the freezing mark. A little bit of an east wind making it feel more like the upper 20s. But right now, actually not too bad outside as we are coming in dry. That will change, though, as our first wave moves through later today, giving us the chance of scattered afternoon showers. Highs today will be around 50 and the sky coverage will be cloudy. Yes, it's going to be warmer thanks to that south wind driving in the warmth to the south as we go through the next couple of days. Now, satellite and radar picture here. We do have mainly dry conditions out there. We do have some clouds, and for the most part, it looks like that we've just got maybe a couple of light rain showers down towards Washington Courthouse. That's really about it. As we widen the view, I'll show you the two different systems that I'm tracking right now. First one is moving through, say, Chicago right now. A little bit of light rain approaching us here in central Ohio. And then the main event, the one that's really going to impact us here heading into tomorrow and Friday, is out here across the Rockies in Colorado. Now, the system that'll be moving through Colorado today and then eventually across the Midwest tomorrow could spark some thunderstorms. Yeah, thunderstorms in January. And here's what we're looking at as far as that overall storm chance. You can see that the best chance of seeing severe weather is generally going to be to our south in Tennessee, Kentucky, and down across the deep south. But we could see one or two storms tomorrow that could have some strong gusty winds. So we will watch out for that as we go through tomorrow afternoon. Let's give you your hour-by-hour forecast here and kind of time it out for you. For today is not a washout. We will have cloudy conditions, warming temperatures through the afternoon, and then some scattered showers, even some heavier showers as we go through this afternoon around 2, 3 o'clock, and then heading into 5. Overnight tonight, I'm expecting some patchy mist and drizzle. That'll be about it, but it's tomorrow where we have those showers and storms begin to roll through from the south. You can see we wake up tomorrow to some storms around 10 a.m. for our southern locations, and right along the system here around 11 o'clock, this is where we could see some gusty winds from Chillicothe, Piketon down towards MacArthur and Jackson, also out towards Athens, New Lexington, having a better chance of seeing some storms. Notice the counterclockwise rotation around this too. So that system moving right over top of us tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be windy. We'll have temperatures in the 50s, but those numbers will fall as that rain falls for tomorrow afternoon. And then let's talk about snow chances, because as those temperatures begin to drop tomorrow afternoon through tomorrow evening, and of course Thursday night, we'll have just enough, I think, cold air around. We could see that rain transition to snow. Latest weather models not really showing much for our area. You can see for most of central Ohio, the best chance of seeing snow is going to be well off to our north. But still, with that said, there is a chance that some of that snow could stick. As it stands right now, not looking like we're going to make any snowmans for Friday afternoon whatsoever, maybe a trace at best, and that will be a very slushy trace of snowfall. Remember how warm that the ground will be the next couple of days? Any of that snow should be melting as it makes contact with the ground. The bottom line with the biggest weather impacts ahead is going to be the falling temperatures from Thursday heading into Friday. It's also going to be the rain and storms tomorrow, and some of those storms could be strong with some gusty winds. We'll definitely be tracking that tomorrow afternoon. And then on Friday, snow less than an inch, and that's being generous there, but it will be windy and colder as we head into our Friday. All right, so taking a look at your 10-day forecast, you'll see the 3 days of inconvenient weather right in a row. That is today, tomorrow, and Friday. We've bumped up today's rain chance. I think that system will tap into just enough moisture to give us the scattered showers today. Thursday, scattered rain showers and thunderstorms, 100% chance of that. So a very busy day for us tomorrow. That air will get colder as we go through Thursday night, giving us a chance of some spotty snow showers for Friday. And then as we head towards the weekend, we should be drying things out both Saturday and Sunday, generally warming back to the 50s by Tuesday of next week.